Mr. Tracie production.
So it was right as we were finishing up painting, you guys, that my husband got the call, and our house was just grieved. My husband got the call from his daughter's mother that she had unexpectedly passed away, and oh my goodness, it's just a time of sorrow, of course. And so after that night, we were up late that night, of course, getting information and different things like that. And I decided just to make most of this video kind of lighthearted because we had our grieving moments, but my husband wanted the kids to focus on, good times. We had, we remembered her fondly, and as well, he wanted them to, keep going. So his moment of grief was more private or either with me, and we tried to do a lot of things with the kids to keep them laughing, talking, and different things like that. So, but at the end of the video, I will honor my stepdaughter Mickey with pictures and let you all see our beautiful oldest child of the family. All right, just want to share her with you, and I hope you enjoy the pictures at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and get on with the video.
Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Psalm of Solomon, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah. Hey! So you say the books of the Bible.
You got this.
Go on.
Matthew, Mark, Luke,
Why you gotta do that?
Acts.
Romans, 1 Corinthians, 2 Corinthians, Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, 1 Thessalonians, 2 Thessalonians, 1 Timothy, 2 Timothy, 1 John, 2 John, I think I missed something. Titus, Philemon, Hebrews, 1 John, 2 John, 3 John, James, Revelation.
You had it almost.
Oh, what's funny?
It's Timothy, Titus, Philemon, Hebrews, and James. So, very good. Not bad. Okay, so Isaiah, you do the New Testament, Jalen, you come back to the Old Testament.
You kidding me?
Good, Jalen. That's my keeper. Period.
What you say?
We would like you to say the books of the Bible, so we just sit back and chill, watching us do all the work.
It's not about me.
I'm pretty sure this is a group discussion, so we like group participation.
Okay. Yes. What would you all like me to say?
Both.
The Old Testament, the New Testament.
The New Testament? Okay.
Let's put the camera on you.
Oh, no, thank you.
Emmanuel, which being interpreted is God with us. Then Joseph, being raised from sleep, did as the angel of the Lord had bidden him, and took unto him his wife, and knew her not till she had brought forth her firstborn son, and he called his name Jesus.
So, Jalen locked Isaiah out in the pool room.
Because he was doing too much.
Because he was doing too much. Don't be loud, Isaiah. Daddy sleep. Jalen, open the door.
Louder than him.
Open the door up. Jalen, open the door.
Dang, I don't think I can open the door.
Open the
It's
door.
locked.
Open the door.
Give me a kiss.
Open the door.
Okay.
Open the door. I better be quiet. So this is what our cousin brought by. Blessing, just a big blessing because of what, we're going through with the passing of our daughter and stepdaughter. And, his cousin brought by some food, and we are so thankful for it. So thankful for it.
Always record me. Like, you had 3 other people.
My hair's not done, so.
Put
Mama love to put P on camera. My hair not done, but with somebody else's hair not done, you don't see nothing.
Go ahead, Isaiah. Matthew, Mark, Luke, John.
Acts, Romans, 1 Corinthians, 2 Corinthians.
Don't be looking bad saying the books of the Bible.
1 Corinthians, 2 Corinthians, Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, Titus, 1 Thessalonians, 2 Thessalonians, Titus, Philemon, Hebrews, John.
How many Titus, how many Timothys is it?
1 Titus.
How many Timothys is it?
1 Timothy, 2 Timothy, Titus, Philemon, Hebrews, James, 1 Peter, 2 Peter, 1 John, 2 John, 3 John, True Revelation.
It better not. Watch it, Missy.
Yeah.
You better keep it with your daddy.
Anyway, I'm about to put her on camera.
So we are at the funeral home, and due to the circumstances that's going on with the virus and everything, only 2 people are allowed in the meeting. So my husband and his daughter's mother are in meeting with the funeral home directors. So I'm waiting in the car, but I am going to go in when they go to view the body right after the meeting. So not
This is a Mr. Tracie production.
Mister is out here getting the yard cleared away. He's trying to get the bushels cut down, or get the twigs cut down so he can bushel them and tie them up. So it's cold today. It is. Was it a high of 37 today? Huh?
It was 37 this morning.
Oh. Started out at 37 degrees this morning, and it is got up to 48, but it feels like it's 30 something now because it's late in the evening. It's like 7:30 and the sun is going down and it's cold. So I was out keeping it company a little bit, but I got to go in now because it's cold. Hey guys, so it is Saturday night and we are ending the first week. It's been a rough week. As you saw, we went to the funeral home, made arrangements. We also did some things, of course, I didn't share on camera, just private family moments, but you know, we went to visit the accident site and you know, some other things. So it was just a trying week. And anyway, but we are so thankful at the same time. We are so thankful for the support that we received this week. We have just an awesome family and church family and friends. Oh my goodness, you all. Okay, my you know that she's the oldest of our 4, but she's my husband's biological child. So my son was 3 when we started dating and 6 when we got married. It was 2.5 years in between us dating and actually getting married. And Mickey was 6 or 7 when we started dating, and I think 9 when we got married. So my husband, of course, had those infant years, those bonding times with her, those real early bonding times with her, and the infancy, toddler, all that stuff. So it is very hard for him and Mickey's mother. But they are getting through. We all are getting through, because we are all family, and we all miss her, and will miss her, because there's, like I said before, things coming up. There's birthdays coming up, and she leaves behind 4 children, and there's holidays coming up and things like that. So my husband's having a little bit of a time, but he's doing okay. He's doing, taking it day by day. But our friends and family and church family, and oh my goodness, has just been awesome. And when people say, it's very true, the support that you get and the phone calls, oh my goodness, has been what has carried us through, and especially, for my husband. But we have both been on the phone like nonstop. And I've always understood why people took food over to people's houses and things when their loved one died. But I understand it even the more because, this was a child being lost with someone really close, and people brought over food and gave us tokens of love and different things like that. It helped so much because I could cook breakfast or whatever, or Jalen did, but through the day, we lost time. We were on the phone and answering people's texts and returning calls and talking to different people like the funeral home, or getting information from Mickey's mom and interchanging information and just everything. And it seems like the day would go by just like that. And one day it was so long, I didn't eat until 8 o'clock. I didn't eat and y'all know I'm a foodie, but I didn't eat all day until 8 o'clock. And when people brought over food, oh my goodness, that was such a blessing. And then the tokens of love, that was a blessing also as well. So we are just so thankful for that support, just the love and everything. And we enjoyed talking to everybody on the phone, and help lift our spirits, and the texts and the Facebook messages and just everything. And I don't like to let them go by. I try to answer all my messages and stuff, but especially about this, I was answering everything and, returning phone calls and stuff. So yeah, everything, it helps so much from everybody. So it is just a blessing. So just remember to be a blessing to other people in their time of need. And it sure will, going through this will make me even more responsive to people, when they're going through situations. So, all right, guys. So I'm going to show you some pictures of Mickey and share her with you all. I'm going to miss her. Her children's going to miss her, and whole family. And yeah, so Mickey was 34 and passed unexpectedly. And she worked in the healthcare field. Her patients and different things, her job, they just love her and will miss her so much. They were just devastated. And her patients were devastated. So in the courtyard of her job, they planted a tree, and they're going to put a plaque with her name on it. And, many people took up, her kids' schools took up collections and gifts, gave her Easter baskets, and her job did as well. And we've just been getting so much love and support. So it's been awesome. That has helped so much. All right, so here's Mickey.
This is a Mr. Tracie production.